Hey team, welcome to today's Explainer. As your senior data consultant, I'm thrilled to walk you through a massive fundamental shift happening right now in our industry, the AI revolution in data cleaning and preprocessing. We're going to explore exactly how we can leverage AI to scrub and prep our raw data, and how this can dramatically accelerate our workflow without sacrificing a single ounce of analytical accuracy.
But before we get to the solutions, I want you to stop and ask yourself something. What hidden errors are lurking in your raw data right this very second? Seriously, think about those invisible mistakes. The impossible values, the wildly inconsistent date formats, those missing entries just scattered randomly throughout a massive spreadsheet. You know the ones. These are the silent killers, guys, and they could be secretly ruining your analysis long before you even run your very first model.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. 1. The data cleaning dilemma. 2. AI as your data co-pilot. 3. Tackling real-world data messes. 4. The AI-assisted cleaning workflow. And finally, 5. Common mistakes to avoid. All right, kicking things off with Section 1, the data cleaning dilemma, the unglamorous reality of raw data. Look, we all know the gap between raw data and analysis-ready data is almost always way larger than we anticipate. You get a raw data dump thinking, oh, this will just take an hour, and boom, 3 days later, you're still manually standardizing variable names. It's a nightmare. Manual cleaning in spreadsheets is tedious, it's incredibly prone to human error, and frankly, it's just a really inefficient use of our time.
And the stakes here are absolutely massive. Undetected errors, they lead straight to invalid analytical results. Your entire foundation is cracked. You're wasting valuable research time, and worse, if you aren't perfectly tracking every manual change you make, literally no one can reproduce your findings. And as we all know, if another data scientist can't reproduce your work, it simply isn't rigorous.
Moving right along to Section 2, AI as your data co-pilot, moving from manual scrubber to data director. What we're adopting here is the collaborative data scientist model. Essentially, this means using AI to generate your data cleaning code, like Python, R, or SQL, straight from plain everyday language. But, and this is a huge but, we have to rigorously maintain human oversight. AI isn't some magic wand that just cleans your data behind a black curtain. It's a collaborative tool that writes the code, which we then verify and execute ourselves.
Let's put this into perspective. Without AI, standardizing a messy dataset could easily mean 4 to 6 solid hours of brutal spreadsheet wrangling, and you're vulnerable to transcription errors every single time your finger slips on the keyboard. With AI, plain language prompts generate executable scripts almost instantly. You're saving hours of mindless busywork, which means you can redirect all that brainpower into verifying logic and actually ensuring the rules make sense. It's a total game changer.
Let's look at Section 3, Tackling Real-World Data Messes, a Practical Survey Data Example.
Now, what's really interesting about this scenario is a concrete example from our source material. Picture this. A researcher is staring down 500 incredibly messy survey responses. This isn't just theoretical. We're talking about a raw CSV file loaded with duplicate respondent IDs, dates formatted in like a dozen different ways, missing values scattered everywhere, and just absolutely bizarre typos. Trying to manually fix these 500 rows would literally be a nightmare. But instead of banging her head against the keyboard writing a complex script from scratch, she turns to her AI co-pilot and just types out this simple, natural language prompt. I have a CSV file with survey responses. Issues include duplicate respondent IDs, missing values scattered throughout, dates in varying formats. Generate Python/R code to clean this, keeping the most recent duplicates and standardizing the dates. Boom! It is truly that simple to command the AI to start doing the heavy lifting. This perfectly illustrates the partnership between AI efficiency and human judgment. Notice how the AI flagged an age listed as 125 and 999. A human researcher immediately realized 125 was likely just a typo for 25 and corrected it, while intelligently marking 999 as officially missing. Next, the AI saw a satisfaction rating of 1.5 and suggested rounding it. But the human director realized, wait, respondents might have actually clicked between points on a digital scale, so they made the call to keep the decimals. The AI acts as your eagle-eyed assistant flagging the issues, but you make the strategic judgment calls.
Okay, on to Section 4. The AI-assisted cleaning workflow, a repeatable methodology for professionals. Here are the 6 essential steps you can start using tomorrow. 1. Assess your data quality. 2. Develop your cleaning strategy. 3. Specify your needs in plain language. 4. Generate the code.
5. Verify that code on a sample. And 6. Apply and document. Now keep this quick checklist in mind to calibrate your AI judgment. Always evaluate the specific task risk versus the AI's actual capability. If it's a simple format change, sure, let the AI run. But if it's a complex imputation or requires deep domain knowledge, you need to heavily scrutinize that output.
Listen, I cannot stress this enough. Never, ever apply generated code without verifying it first. Always test on a small sample. AI models can and do hallucinate, guys. They might completely fabricate a non-existent Python library, generate completely backwards syntax for a simple merge, or even invent fake statistics. A tiny unnoticed code error can silently overwrite or delete massive chunks of your data. Spot check the results, verify the logic, and only then do you deploy.
And once you do deploy, you have got to document the whole shebang. If data cleaning isn't documented, it isn't reproducible, period. Here is your absolutely non-negotiable checklist. You must record your initial quality assessment, your strategic decisions, like why you kept that 1.5 satisfaction score earlier, the fully commented AI-generated code itself, the exact changes made, and your final dataset characteristics. This is exactly how you build a bulletproof, totally defensible methodology.
Which brings us to our final part, Section 5, Common Mistakes to Avoid, Calibrating Your AI Judgment.
Let's rapid fire through these major pitfalls. We've already talked about applying code without verification and leaving decisions undocumented. But really watch out for that third point, aggressive removal of cases with missing values. Please don't just blindly tell the AI to delete all rows with missing data. You might completely gut your dataset. Ask for multiple imputation code instead. Also, beware of assuming all outliers are just errors. And finally, insufficient testing before production use. Spot checking really is your absolute best friend here.
So, the crucial point is this. Outliers might be entirely legitimate extreme values, and missing data requires strategic, thoughtful handling. AI cannot make those strategic judgment calls for you. The AI is your rapid coder, absolutely, but your human domain knowledge is what separates a true error from a really vital piece of extreme data.
Let's bring it all together with our key takeaways. AI generates cleaning code incredibly efficiently via plain language, saving you literally hours of tedious work. However, human verification on sample data is absolutely mandatory. Handling missing data and outliers requires your specific human domain knowledge. And finally, systematic documentation is what ensures your research is robust, trustworthy, and perfectly reproducible. You have to balance the automation of the AI with the rigor of the human expert.
I'll leave you with this final thought to chew on. What's one small step you could take tomorrow to start putting AI data cleaning into practice? Maybe it's just asking an AI to scan a CSV to spot some basic inconsistencies. Or maybe it's writing your very first plain language prompt for a Python script. Step into that director's chair. The tools are here, they are incredibly powerful, and they are ready for you to take command. Thanks for joining me on this explainer team. Now go clean that data.